Okay, so what I've done today is I'm going to use these little bits of cheap Play-Doh to visualize one of the key concepts in population genetics, which is isolation by distance. And what this essentially means is I'm using these as little individuals, each of these circles, and each color represents a distinct population of individuals. One of the concepts in population genetics is that the closer you are to a population, the more genetically related you are to that population. So if an individual here in the red in this population, you'll find that it's more likely to go close by to these yellow individuals to mate with this individual to produce offspring, so enabling gene flow between these close populations. More so than it would this red individual going to a much further away population takes a lot more effort. So it's in 2D space, it's less likely that he's going to go all the way over here as opposed to over here. That's though in a two-dimensional space, a bit of an unrealistic environment. Say if we were to go then to a real world situation where we might have, for example, these brown Play-Doh representing mountains here between these two populations, in the red and the yellow, and the green representing a river. All of a sudden now these red individuals find it much more difficult to get past this physical barrier on the environment, either going over the top of this three-dimensional object or having to, in two-dimensional space, go all the way around to mate with individuals in this yellow population. What we might have happening now in this situation is that it's actually easier for these red individuals to get to these orange individuals here to mate.